My name is Samuel Allen.
My name is Austin Allen.
I'm from Stockton, California.
I'm originally from Trenton, New Jersey.
Like a lot of people wanted to start our family, but we had some challenges doing that. Tried for 7 years to get pregnant. Then we would lose our first son. And so the journey continued. We had 2 miscarriages in between, and then we finally got pregnant with our daughter. I had severe preeclampsia, and I had been telling my doctor at the time that, something wasn't right, but I felt like she wasn't listening to me, so much so like he had to come with me to try to tell her like something wasn't right. And then came Malachi, but even with that, he had a lot of medical complications due to being just born so prematurely. So he was in the NICU for 7 months. He had a trach, he had a G-tube, he has a shunt still right now. So it's been a journey, a long up and down everywhere journey. The doctors that we had at the time, they weren't listening. I just felt like we weren't getting the care that we needed at that time.
Being there, I was able to see different treatment and all that. So
Yeah.
I've learned a lot of things that I didn't necessarily want to learn. It was hurtful, but it wasn't surprising. Just with all the other statistics, as far as African Americans coming in at higher rates or not being on an even playing field.
It made me angry because it's not fair, it's not right. I feel like we deserve to be heard just like everybody else.
When you're put in a situation, you don't have no other choice but to be strong.
Yeah.
It's only so much you can do, and it's what makes us as a people. It builds our character, it builds our strength, our patience. I'm one of them people where I want to know the big picture.
Yeah.
Don't just tell me what you think, but I want to know all the goods, I want to know all the bad. And I want to know your opinion, your professional opinion, your personal opinion. I want to know it all. It's my right as a parent to be there so I know what to expect and get ready just in case something does happen. You already warned me.
So I heard of Black Infant Health and Sister Coach programs after we had children. I wish that I had known about them when we were pregnant or trying to get pregnant, because I feel like maybe things would have been a little bit different had I had someone like that with me.
A lot of the stuff that we knew as far as benefits and programs and all that, we had to figure out on our own. I don't know if it was because of the color of our skin or I don't know why. But I do know that it was times our case manager would tell other families some things that didn't get pushed to us.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of stuff we had to, like you said, we had to advocate for ourselves. We had to look it up. We had to do research.
If you can help be a voice, do that. And if you know resources in the community that could help, share them.
I would like to get more information, what I could do to whether help volunteer or be there for other fathers as well. But I would tell any father to look into it. If it's something you can do or something that sounds good to you, then get it.
If you're a young, mom, I would encourage you to go and seek out those programs like Sister Coach and Black Infant Health and see what resources they can be to you. And Passport to Fatherhood. If you're a young family, I would definitely encourage you to seek those programs. They can provide you with a wealth of knowledge. They can help you advocate if needed. They seem like amazing programs that I wish that I would have known about to be able to partake of when I was going through my pregnancies.